FSharp. It's a statically typed, general-purpose, multi-padigram programming language with the .NET framework. It is famous for its concise and emphasis on functional programming. FSharp was created in 2005 by Don Syme and others at Microsoft Research. It was designed as a modern language that lets functional and object-oriented programming. Initially, FSharp was criticized for being too academic, but it has evolved into a practical language for various domains including data science, financial modeling, and web development. It's particularly well suited for data-intensive tasks and parallel computing. FSharp is compiled into Common Intermediate Language, which can be executed by Common Language Runtime on any operating system without recompiling. To get started, install the .NET Core SDK, then open terminal in an empty directory and run .NET new console-lang in quotations FSharp to create a new FSharp application. This creates a program.fs file with a module and a main function where your code will start executing. Declare a value by starting the let followed by the name and value. Values are immutable by default, but you can create a mutable reference with the ref keyword. To organize code and share it across files, we use modules. Each file typically contains a single module which can define types, values, and functions. Modules can contain classes which support inheritance, polymorphism, and other object-oriented features. To compile and execute your code, use .NET Run command. This has been FSharp in 100 seconds.